Hello, everyone. I'm here at an open house and it's a little quiet, so I figured I might as well talk a little bit. Most people don't understand that open houses kind of serve two things. For a realtor, it allows us to help sell the house, of course, but usually it's not done by the same realtor that's listing, at least in the state I'm in currently, Missouri, simply because there's a thing called dual agency. Dual agency basically means that you're playing for both sides of the team, which that doesn't sound good even by itself. So usually you have someone that's on the same brokerage come out and do a open house for you. Open houses for that other agent are allowed to find new clients or people that they can represent to help them find new houses. On the flip side, the listing agent gets exposures and ability to open the house without really having to do anything. So this is just a simple understanding of when you go to the open house, what to expect. You're going to expect to probably have to sign in. That's how realtors like me, we can communicate with you. We don't try to bug you, but we do try to pass along our information and how market trends, stuff like that. The good thing is no one sells your information and you can always opt out. Two, we're here to answer any questions. And honestly, we're free. Until you purchase a house, realtors are free. They might sign agreements and all this other stuff, but until that house has been closed on, all the money I'm putting up. So if you have questions and you just want to go to an open house, even if it's not the house that you really want, do it. If you get an open house, hey, that's when we're down the street. Oh, I want to go talk to them about things. Anything real estate, do it. That's an insider trick. Is going to an open house during the week, usually a little bit slower, and talk under the realtor about anything you want, whether it's about mortgages, about what's going on in that area, you name it. It's a great time to just pick their brain. And honestly, I don't mind. I'm just sitting here in this lovely open house. Here, I'll swing around if my camera lets me do it. And it won't. Anyways, it's a great time for you guys to ask questions. Most people don't think about that is that, they think, okay, open houses is only for if they want to purchase that house. Nope. We're a realtor sitting in here, just chilling in a nice house that's been all set up. Like this beautiful house, going for about just shy of 600K. And that beautiful one. And so, especially during the week, it can be a little bit slow. But on the flip side, I get to meet some lovely new possible customers and get to talk to people about real estate. So, more of the story. Open houses aren't scary as you think they are. They're going to probably ask for your information. You don't have to give it, but we always ask you that you do. Usually it's for security reasons, so we know who you are. Two, if it's not the house you want, so what? Come in and say, hey, I don't like this house. My price range is this, and this. Can I pick your brain? And that realtor, 9 out of 10, if they are anywhere decent of a realtor, they'd be like, sure. They're going to do two things. Let you rattle off as many questions as you want, and probably ask you to meet with them later so they can go over what you more detailed in a private setting. We usually meet at our office, Panera Bread, or anything that's small bakery, something that's not loud, and we can figure out exactly what you want. So that's a little inside tip about open houses. They're not just about the house that's open, but the ability to pick an agent's mind on what you could possibly get out of your next new house. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and give me a call if you need anything realty wise. Have a great day.